Good morning again, y'all. I'm back at my grandma and grandpa's house here in the garage upstairs, and we got two Genie garage door openers. These are Wayne Dalton doors, and here's the doors once again. With the light covers were taken off because my dad took them off for my grandpa and my grandma because they were hard to take off, and that way if the light bulbs go out, they can just change them easily, and they're not putting them back on. So anyway, here's the release pole, and these are screwdrive. See, same doors, just different. The motors are the same, they just make different sounds. Sensors. That's weird having red and green. See? Alright. Here's the remote. Now, this is a newer model remote. Sadly, the cover thing came off, so I can't, but this is a newer model. I forgot the model. I'll have to look it up later, but again, here's the push buttons. That's my grandma's door. It's to that one. That's my grandpa's door that he lets us pull our car in sometimes, and that one is to that one. You have the locks. Hard to do this with one hand. You have the lights. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and run the door up. So we're going to do my favorite one, which is I call that one the second. That's the second one. That's the second one. That's the first. That's the first one. That's the second one. So I'm going to run the first one up here. So here we go. Listen to this motor. In 1, 2, 3, open. Now we're going to do the second one here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, open. Alright. This one's a little noisy than the other one. And of course there's a keypad which the cover broke off, so that's not kind of good. That's the keypad. My grandpa's truck. He was nice enough to let us pull outside so we could pull our car in. Here's the keypad. So this time I'm gonna use the remote. So anyway, I'm gonna start with this one. Now we'll do this one here. Alright, in case you're wondering now, I programmed so the top one's to that one, and the middle one's to that one, and the bottom, this one's not programmed anything, so we're gonna run back up. We're gonna do my grandma's first. There it goes. I don't wanna, I'll run the other one up here. I don't want to burn the motor out, so I'm not going to run them up too much. Of course, we're going to do demonstration. Alright, now we're going to do this one too. See? Alright, now we're going to put them back down. We'll do the first one first. Here we go. 1, 3, 2, 1, down. Now I'm gonna put my grandma down here. Here we go. 1, 2, I'm at 3, 2, 1, down. This one's a little bit noisy. Alright, now we're going to run up one more time at the same time. Alright, so here we go. Very nice doors. don't want to burn the motor out, so I'm not gonna. Alright, we're gonna put it down one last time, that's gonna be it. 1, 2, 3, down. Very nice doors. Alright, that's enough. I don't want to burn the motor out. So, alright guys. Anyway, thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. And if you have any comments, feel free to leave me one. Actually, one more thing. Yeah. These are very nice garage doors. Of course, these are screwdrives, so. And there are some webs on here. Just for the heck of it, I'm gonna have to clean it up, so. Alright, yeah, alright. Alright guys, well, hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and if you have any comments, feel free to leave me one. Thanks.